As the Writers Guild of America strike stretches into its third day, more than 11,000 film and TV writers remain out of work and on the picket line. They are fighting for increased wages, particularly when it comes to writing for streaming services. But they're also looking to the future and hoping to stave off an industry takeover by artificial intelligence and chatbots.
With AI's reach extending into nearly every industry, experts warn that 40% of jobs could be affected, leading to a potential surge in jobs lost. As we peel back the layer of AI's evolution, we'll confront the uncomfortable truths of a future where machines outpace human capabilities. Are we prepared for the changes that AI will bring? Join us in this video as we delve into 9 industries that soon will kill off by AI. Number 9. Cashiers. The retail industry is on the brink of a technological revolution, with artificial intelligence, AI, at the forefront. One of the most visible changes is the increasing use of self-checkout kiosks and automated payment systems, which are set to redefine the role of cashiers. These systems offer significant efficiency gains. They streamline the checkout process, reduce long queues, and minimize the potential for human error. However, this efficiency comes at a cost. The rise of automation threatens to displace many cashier jobs, as machines increasingly perform tasks that were once the domain of humans. This shift could lead to a reduction in the workforce required for cashier roles, as one machine can often do the work of several people. Yet, the changing landscape also presents an opportunity for upskilling. Cashiers can transition to roles that require more complex human interactions, such as customer service and support, or move into the technical side of maintaining and programming the very machines that are changing their industry. Number 8. Administrative assistants. In the realm of office administration, AI-powered virtual assistants are increasingly taking center stage. From scheduling meetings and managing calendars to handling data entry and basic customer inquiries, AI assistants can perform these duties with remarkable efficiency and accuracy. The integration of AI into administrative roles is not without its consequences. As these technologies become more advanced, the need for traditional administrative assistants may diminish, leading to a significant restructuring of the workforce. The automation of routine tasks means that businesses can operate with leaner staff, focusing human labor on areas that require creative and strategic thinking. For those in administrative roles, it's essential to adapt and acquire new skills that complement the capabilities of AI. This might include specializing in areas such as project management, human resources, or becoming proficient in the use of advanced software that requires human oversight. Number 7. Warehouse workers. In the fast-paced world of logistics, AI is revolutionizing how warehouses operate. Picture this: a bustling warehouse where robots glide seamlessly between aisles, picking and packing orders with precision. These automated helpers are reshaping inventory management and order fulfillment, tasks that were once the domain of manual labor. As AI and robotics become more sophisticated, the need for human warehouse workers is diminishing. Machines work tirelessly, they don't need breaks, and they're less prone to errors. This efficiency is a boon for businesses, but spells a decline in traditional warehouse jobs. The shift is inevitable as companies strive to stay competitive, and it's clear that the role of warehouse workers is on the brink of transformation, driven by the relentless march of AI. Number 6. Customer service and support representatives. Imagine you're calling customer service, and instead of waiting for a human, an AI greets you. That's becoming the norm as AI-powered solutions take over call centers. These chatbots are quick, they don't need breaks. Many basic positions are on the decline because AI can handle simple tasks like checking an account balance or tracking a package. On the other hand, there's a silver lining for customer service reps. Humans still have the upper hand when it comes to complex issues or emotional support. AI might be smart, but it doesn't understand frustration or empathy like we do. So, for calls that need a personal touch, companies still rely on human agents. Plus, there's a growing need for people to train these AIs, to handle the exceptions they can't process, and to step in when a customer prefers talking to a person. Number 5. Translators and interpreters. AI can now translate languages with a speed and volume that human translators can't match. It's not just about replacing words anymore. AI systems are beginning to grasp the subtleties of language, context, and even slang. This technological leap means that the role of human translators and interpreters is changing. Where once a human touch was essential for every translation task, now AI can take on much of the workload, especially for straightforward, repetitive tasks. The efficiency and scalability of AI translation are unmatched, but it's not the end of the line for human experts. However, while AI may be taking over the more mechanical aspects of translation, there's still a significant demand for human translators. They excel in areas where cultural context and a deep understanding of the language are crucial, such as literary translations, legal documents, and live diplomatic negotiations. Number 4. Legal assistance. Artificial intelligence is making its mark in the legal field, particularly in tasks like legal research, document review, and contract analysis. AI programs can sift through mountains of legal documents in a fraction of the time it takes a human, identifying relevant case laws and precedents with pinpoint accuracy. They can also analyze contracts, spotting inconsistencies and potential issues without fatigue. This efficiency comes at a cost to traditional legal assistant roles. Paralegals, known for their meticulous document review skills, are finding that AI can perform many of their tasks faster and without errors. As a result, law firms may not need as many paralegals as before, leading to a potential reduction in demand for these professionals. To stay relevant, legal assistants must adapt. By learning to work with AI, they can enhance their roles and offer more value to their firms. If they don't adapt, soon AI will take their job entirely. Number 3. Basic accounting and bookkeeping. AI technology can already automate the nitty-gritty of bookkeeping, from categorizing expenses to reconciling transactions. And it's not just about crunching numbers. AI can predict cash flow, manage invoices, and even detect fraud with more accuracy than ever before. For entry-level accountants, this shift can be daunting. Many tasks that served as their bread and butter are now handled by algorithms. This doesn't mean all accounting jobs are disappearing, but it does mean the nature of accounting work is changing. The focus is shifting away from manual data entry and towards analysis, strategy, and decision-making. So where can accountants shine in this new landscape? They can delve into financial forecasting, provide personalized financial advice, and strategize on tax planning. These are areas where human judgment and expertise are crucial. Number 2. Graphic designers. The graphic design landscape is rapidly evolving with AI tools like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion entering the scene. These platforms can generate intricate designs and artwork, tasks that were traditionally the domain of human artists. With the ability to produce a wide range of visuals quickly, AI is poised to reshape the role of graphic designers. The concern is real. AI has the potential to replace certain artist jobs, especially those that involve creating standard graphics or repetitive designs. However, this doesn't spell doom for all designers. Instead, it's a call to action. The unique creative insight and emotional intelligence that human designers bring to the table are irreplaceable by AI. Designers are encouraged to view AI as a collaborative tool, one that can take on the heavy lifting of basic design tasks, allowing them to focus on more complex, creative endeavors. By working with AI, designers can push the boundaries of their creativity, explore new styles, and optimize their workflow. Number 1. Junior software developers. Aspiring software developers, listen up. Sophisticated algorithms are now capable of automating routine programming tasks. From debugging to writing basic lines of code, AI tools are streamlining processes that once required hours of human labor. The implication is clear: AI is poised to replace many functions of a programmer, especially those at the entry level. As these intelligent systems learn and adapt, they can potentially take over more complex coding responsibilities, leaving junior developers facing an uncertain future. However, it's not all doom and gloom. To stay relevant, developers must pivot towards roles that AI can't easily replicate. This includes focusing on creative problem solving, developing AI-resistant skills like system design, and staying abreast of the latest technologies. Emphasizing soft skills, such as communication and teamwork, can also provide an edge, as these are areas where AI still lags behind. If you've watched until the end, comment AI to let us know. Staying informed is key in the age of AI, so be sure to watch our other videos for more insights. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates, and thank you for joining us on this journey.